Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and we are making blood and sand cocktails. Now this cocktail came from a Rudolph Valentino movie that was called Blood and Sand in 1922. And it's one of the few classic cocktails that feature Scotch in its cocktail. Usually you get like, gin, vodka, bourbon, what have you. Well, this one features Scotch. And the Scotch that I'm using today is this guy, La Progue. Probably completely butchered that, but it basically smells and tastes like a campfire. Super smoky. And now that I got orange juice all over my hand, smoky orange, pretty nice. Okay, so for this cocktail, it's very simple. There's only a few ingredients. You're gonna have 2 ounces of blood oranges. These are pretty awesome. And right now, we're not really in the season for blood oranges. So if you can't squeeze out 2 ounces of juice out of your blood orange, you can always compensate a little bit with a little extra orange juice. So it's 2 ounces of orange juice, 1.5 ounces, 1.5 of Scotch, and then 1 ounce of a cherry liqueur. And this one, these guys make great black cherries. There's also cherry herring, which is really nice. So this is 1 ounce, and then 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. You're gonna pour all this, oh, that's an interesting smell. It just kind of smells like a sweet port, honestly. So 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth, pour it into your shaker over ice. Get out your martini or your coupe glasses. Give your shaker a little shake, and then pour it right into your glass. And you get a nice, rosy, deep burnt orange smell. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. All right, and then we're gonna finish this off with a little twist of orange rind. And we're gonna say it's happy hour. Oh, that's nice. It's smoky, sweet. The orange and the cherry play really nicely together. You're gonna love this. It's kind of like a campfire and a cashmere sweater and your sweetheart all rolled up into one. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Hang around for some more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.